back to Simple Tech. In this video I will be showing you guys how to download the GB WhatsApp on your Android phone. But before doing that, I'll ask you guys to like, subscribe and share the video. It will be greatly appreciated. So what we're going to be doing is to use the Google browser, or actually Google Chrome, to download the GB WhatsApp on the Android phone. So just gonna go ahead and go into Google, and what we're doing is to go ahead and type in GB WhatsApp. Okay, so let me just type it in. Okay, once we go ahead and search, you'll be seeing the option. You see GB WhatsApp app, latest version 8.0 October 2019. Go ahead and click on that one. You can scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, where you'll now be seeing the option to download latest version. Now click on that option. Click on that option again. You can just go ahead and scroll down. Just click no thanks on that. Just go ahead and click that option as well, and we'll be coming up with a message. This type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep GB WhatsApp? You can just go ahead and press OK, because it will not really do any harm to your phone. So as you can see, it's now downloading. So let us just go ahead and wait for this to download, and I can show you guys what else to do regarding to the GB WhatsApp 8.0. So it completes, so just go ahead and click on open. Once that GB, it will take you to a next step where it asks you to install. If the settings on your phone is not set to install from unknown sources, you'll need to go ahead and turn that on. So let me just turn that on, and then you'll be getting the option to install that app rather. Just go ahead and wait, it's loading. Let's give it a minute. Okay, see that taking a bit of while. Okay, it's finished. Just go ahead and click on open. Seems that it's taking a while. Let us just wait. So yes, so right here you'll be seeing the option to restore or to accept and continue. If you are using the GB WhatsApp for the first time, you can just go ahead and press agree and continue, but I'll not be showing you anymore in this video. I'll leave that step for the next video coming up tomorrow, which I'll show you different functions that are included in GB WhatsApp that make it different from the original WhatsApp that is on the phone. Okay, thank you for making it Simple Tech. Remember, subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.